What an amazing opportunity to own a 2-story single-family home, a potential buildable lot, 909 Probst, and a detached garage which was used for commercial space, 918 Probst. The square-foot home is in very good condition and the first floor consists of a living room, dining room, large attic with stainless steel appliances and a laundry room along with a full bath. There is also a small, enclosed porch off of the laundry room. The upstairs has another full bath, and 2 bedrooms. The previous owner opted to have one large master bed which should be able to be converted back into 2 beds, this would give a total of 3 beds upstairs. There is also a large closet in the master bed. The seller is leaving the furniture to a potential buyer. There is an unfinished basement, perfect for storage. 909 Probst, which is an empty lot caddy corner to the garage, may be buildable. The commercial garage, 918 Probst, is located off the alley behind the home. This also has a half bath. It is very easy to show, and the seller can close quickly. This home qualifies for grant money if available.